What I love about working in agriculture is really just the diversity of what it offers. Because you are feeding the world, so there's so many job opportunities out there. There's so many other industries that kind of correlate with agriculture. I'm Landon Bowen. I am a University of Guelph alumni, and I'm a precision ag specialist. So my role as a precision ag specialist is more in a support role, both for the company and for the customers. We just really want to make sure that they're getting all the value out of the precision ag technology. So really we're just trying to make things more efficient for farmers. Farmers are leaning towards automation, and really we're trying to show that there's value in the data, whether it be through the combine operation, their tractor automation, or even just using GPS. We actually can do so much through a phone or an iPad, which is really cool. Whatever industry you think is not a part of agriculture actually is a part of agriculture in one way or another. For every graduate, there's 4 job opportunities for you waiting in the agriculture sector, whether it be actually on farm, more on the production side, or really anything in between. Agriculture is for everybody. You don't need to be just from a farm, you can be from all walks of life, all different backgrounds. There's always something there that will interest you, whether it be actually more on the farm side, on the food side, or on the more financial side. There's something out there for you. The University of Guelph helped me shape the career I have now through the co-op program, and with those co-op terms I was able to get a lot of different experience in the various aspects of the agriculture industry to really pinpoint me to where I want to go for my full-time career. I like to say I'm a helping person, and really that's what agriculture is. You are helping people through feeding the world.